Hi everyone, so I was quite keen to get on with square number 36. It's the Moss Stitch Zigzag Square. It looks really cool and I sort of quite fancy a bit of a challenge. So I've got going on this, but I think it was last week I was saying how much easier it was to count these days. We're right back in it now. We really are in the thick of having lots of different lines that have got different instructions. So this is as far as I've got. It's brilliant. Look at that. It's so completely different. The contrast between that and that. Um, there's a lot of just one knit, then one purl, then one knit, then one purl. But once again, you can pretty much tell. So I'm on row 8 and I've got to repeat the 6th row. So I'm knitting one. Once again, not sure how to hold my knitting needles. I do that when I'm when I'm knitting, but when I'm purling, I can't seem to do that. So I'm beginning to hold it like that again. I don't really know which is the best way to do it. But then you knit, what am I doing? Knitting, purl, knit, and then purl. And then if you notice that this keeps dropping down, I don't know how to deal with that. It's a bit of wasted energy really. Knit, then purl 5 times. Knit, purl, knit, purl, knit, purl 5 times. You see, it's got complicated. I can barely speak because I'm having to concentrate. But one thing I have learned over the weeks is that you can immediately tell where you've got to if you have a look at the little bits here. You can see that the knits and the purls look different. So if you get a little bit lost, you can work out where you are. So I'm going to keep going with this and I'll show you how I do when I get to the end.